So this is a test to see if the wireless Audio Technica microphone, this is System 10 microphone, I found that this is really hot. And right now I have it set to 0 dB on the wireless microphone itself, the receiver. And the transmitter is, I don't know what the transmitter is set to. There is a dial in there. It says low to high. So I'm trying to figure out if there's a balance between, which is better, to turn down the sensitivity all the way on the camera so you have less white noise, or to, have it go in hot. Yeah, I mean, have it go in hot and then turn the sensitivity on the camera itself, or turn down the sensitivity on the the transmitter, or turn it down the receiver. It's just so many options, because you could turn the sensitivity down on this, right? Or you could turn the sensitivity down, you can't see it, on the receiver itself. Or you could turn it down on the camera. So, which is better? It's a interesting point. So maybe I want to test that. So right now what I have is, it's dancing around negative 12 dB, but I have the sensitivity up on the receiver all the way. And I have it way, way down on the camera. Right down on the camera. It won't show me. It's in the first quarter quadrant, so it goes quarter, half, 3/4 full. It's halfway in the middle between the first quarter. So definitely it's turned down way down. So let me turn down sensitivity on the receiver. Okay, now I have it set. I can barely see it. It's negative 10 dB, I believe. Yeah, negative 10 dB. So right now it's negative 10 dB on the receiver. So I'm going to have to turn up the sensitivity on the camera. So testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Just hit negative 12. Turn it up a little more. Now I'm a little past quarter. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. So right now it's a little past quarter way up on the microphone sensitivity, and now I'm negative 10 on the receiver. So now I'm going to go negative 20 on the receiver. Okay, so now on the receiver it's negative 20, and now I'm going to have to turn up the sensitivity of the camera. I should be monitoring this with my headphones. I'm not. So now I'm turning up sensitivity on the camera. I'm about halfway now. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. It keeps hitting at the peaks around negative 12 dB right now. So right now the sensitivity is turned up halfway on the camera, and then negative 20 dB on the receiver, and I didn't mess with the transmitter. It comes with a little tool, a flat blade screwdriver basically, and there's a little pot in there you can adjust, and it says level, low, high, and I've never touched it, so I don't know if I should experiment with that or not. So I'm going to listen back and see which way is better. So we should have audio now. This time I'm monitoring it. When I'm playing back and listening to it live, I don't like how that sounds. I don't like the quality of that. It sounds a little bit rough or robotic or more digitized. It's on negative 20 dB. And I think that's because I have to have the gain turned up so high on the camera itself, because right now it's about halfway. And of course you hear more white noise. So I'm going to turn it back to 0. Whoa, sorry. Let me whisper. And let me turn the gain down on the camera. Testing 1, 2, 3. But I noticed, it still sounds kind of digital actually when I'm monitoring it live. I noticed that, this is a digital, System 10 is digital, so I guess there is going to be some digital artifacts, some more of a less organic sound to it. But I noticed the first time I did it, I really didn't like the levels. I just felt the levels too low. But now I just went into the red a little bit. I'm dancing about negative, it's about negative 12 dB. Yeah, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, and then the levels on the camera is on the quarter mark. So let me turn up just one notch. There we go. Testing 1 2 3. This is a test of the Audio Technica System 10 digital 2.4 gigahertz receiver transmitter system. I am currently on channel 1 at 0 dB on the receiver, and the transmitter, I have no idea what it's set at. I have no idea. I just saw it go into red in my snap. That testing 1 2 3. This is a test. Testing 1 2 3. Okay, so to say again, the receiver, I have it on 0. Yeah, it's on 0 right now. That's -10. That's -20. So I think it may be better to go in hot and just turn it down the camera. You should have less noise. It just it keeps clipping out. Maybe it's too close or interference from the cordless phone or something. I just heard it clip out. I could try a different channel. But let me turn it off momentarily so you can listen to the white noise that's being produced from the camera itself. If I'm going to do one finger, that's the first mark, that's 1/4. 2 fingers is the second mark, which is halfway. 3 fingers is the third mark, which is 3/4. And then 4 fingers is the fourth mark, which is all the way 100%. So I'm going to do that test one more time. I'm going to turn the receiver off and listen for the white noise. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So about 16 taps up from 0 is at the 1/4 mark. So you were able to hear the gradual rise in my voice from 0. And I have it set to 0 dB on the receiver right now. So I'm going to go back and monitor this, listen back and see what it sounds like, and hopefully to get this uploaded. Okay. Echo, turn on audio booth light. I almost forgot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Like the video, subscribe to my channels, please. I need more subscribers. I promise I'll do something great in the future. Okay, thank you.